even clearer. I see what you're doing to me now.
There are many sheep and Winny catamaran over there. Now we are heading to Komodo Island.
Siema.
A better tomorrow. For you, I'd make it a rainbow. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one's perfect. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you are bright white gold. With you by my side, I'm not worried. We'll be able to find ourselves. Black expressions, empty words. Nothing can keep me away from you. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one told us. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you were bright white gold.
Oh, we arrived to Padar Island. This is our friends. We are climbing. It's so hot. It's like 32, maybe 34 degrees. Halfway. Winny summer here. It looks very nice, but it's, as you can see over here. My God, it's so hot, but the view is just amazing. Okay, so we're going down. The view is just breathtaking. Isn't it, Benjamin?
Yes. We are in Padar Island, right?
Padar Island.
National.
Are you tired, Sam?
Not really. It's so good on the top, you know?
Nice?
Yeah.
kecil di situ? Ya. Toilet aku. Organic toilet.
So we are in the
So
pink
now,
beach.
yes, we are in the pink beach. As you can see, that the place for chill out, for relax, and then this is called pink beach because, as you can see, that the sand is pink.
Sayang, what you have?
So this one is the red coral.
Oh
so
my
that's why
God.
this pink beach is called pink because the pink actually made of this red coral. So as you can see, look, I'll show you. Oh, beautiful, isn't it?
Czyżby nie przyjechali do lodowca tutaj?
A zobacz jaka muszla.
Nobody else, down outside. Nobody else, down you are. Nobody else, down outside. Nobody else.
1000 lat i komodo?
Nie.
Ty, kurwa, na Kaszub napisane. Spokój, dobra. Ej, Polandia. Polandia, Kaszubski, no to jak patenty? Ty, Kaszub i z Poland. A ty do szkoły, zapytaj się, czy do szkoły chodzą.
Hari ini no ono tamu. Wszyscy się już zbierają, wszyscy idą.
Weźcie mi kurwa dajcie spokój z tym handlowaniem, bo ja nie jestem handlarz. Kurwa. Jakbym te perły od was kupił wszystkie na Polsce, kurwa mnie zamknął, nie? Kawkę dobrą macie, ty. Kopi luwak?
Kopi luwak.
Tak.
Luwak kopi.
Flores? Kopi, dobra, kopi. Ty, dajcie mu kurwa, bo nóż się pokroi, ty. Kroi wam stół.
Po co ty to wziąłeś? Wziąłeś to?
Cis.
Na zdrowie, na zdrowie.
Na zdrowie.
Jak w tubylcie kurwa tej.
Jakiś kaszu utonął.
Co? Wuję ten kaszub.
Bira sminci, rakuni. Bira rakuni.
Zapytaj się skąd ma ty tą czapkę. Kto mu zajebał? Ile lat temu zapierdolił?
Ile. Na kulu.
Nie, jest Polandia. Jest
Ja, I know.
pakiet Polandia.
Lunch on the boat. Little bit spicy.
A jaka zęby umyje?
Nie umiesz. So we just arrived to the Komodo Island National Park, and let's hope we're gonna see some
Yes, so now
warrants.
we are in a Komodo National Park here. So look, only us,
Yeah, it's
not
really
many tourists. We will see big Komodos later on. Big one.
Let's hope. The huge one.
From the port, they're not
Hello, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
We are in Komodo Island, so this guy is called Ranger. So he will guide us later on when we, walk around the Komodo Island. And he's the ranger.
Yeah. There is a kakadu.
Kakadu?
Kakadu, yeah. Don't too close. It's enough.
Taki metrowy.
Everyone follow me.
So now we are in Komodo Island. This is the jungle where Komodo lives.
Hot.
So we already saw 2 Komodo dragons. So big.
Normal, yeah?
I co to nie ma korzeni?
Normal.
Skończyło się, tak.
Because this tree, it can live up to...
No tam.
Black Nepal or... We have rain, but not so many.
No.
Yeah, not so.
So the warrants is killing people, yeah?
Killing people.
Yeah, like you know, like you swimming on the beach and the warrant is coming and
Yes.
really?
They
Koło
eat
się go
human.
Eat
Komodo are carnivore. They eat meat.
Well,
So of course, they eat the people.
that's cool. Did you ever
Be-
saw someone who is killed? No?
Yes, yes.
Really? Here?
Yes.
In the Komodo?
In Komodo village.
Really?
Because in here we have a one village, around 2,000 people living there.
Alright.
And tourists also, when they need to stay more time in Komodo Island, they can do stay in Komodo village. We
Alright.
have one incident in 2017. Someone from Singapore
Yeah.
get bitten by Komodo.
Oh, really? And he's died or?
He's died.
Alright.
He's died, but he's died at,
In the hospital. yeah?
hospital at Singapore.
Oh, okay. So he just got the
Singapore, yeah.
like a shot from the how to call?
Yes. But actually, when he need to stay long time in our hospital at LABUAN BAJO,
Yeah.
he will save.
Oh,
But he
okay.
doesn't want because he says Singapore more better.
Oh, okay.
So that's why.
Oh, okay. And one more question. How many is warrants, Komodo dragons in this park? Approximately.
In Komodo Island, our
Yeah.
population around 1,700 Komodo.
1700.
Yeah, but are not stay in one place. They stay in all island here.
Alright, so it's 1.7 thousand dragons.
Yes.
But you cannot eat the dragon.
No.
You're gonna die. I mean, by government. But people eat it before, like a long time ago, like before you know any rules, like 50, 100 years ago. No, nobody never eat.
Never.
Alright, and they are like this park is in the UNESCO. No,
Yes.
it is in the UNESCO program.
Yes.
Alright. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
How old he is?
It is about 25 years. Can you move back?
Move. No. Okay.
Kochanie, chodź, kochanie. O, się kogoś wybiera.
Hi, everyone behind.
Czekajcie, bo zaraz ja.
Gdzie mamy iść?
Pociągnij go dalej. To idzie sobie chłopaczek, który ma 25 lat. A Ale to modeling normalnie, nie? Czy... O.
Okay. Okay, next. You can go.
So much for the trek and stay safe. Don't get eaten by the komodo.
Ale fajniutki. Taki fajniutki jest. Czekaj, ja go jeszcze nagram. Jeszcze wideo.
CP. Nie, bo pomacha.
Do środka i wszystko.
O, wiesz?
Tak. Tak to wygląda. This is the fish market.
Yang ini kan
Ja akurat chyba jest nie wiem, jakiej podróży. Kot pstrąga czy coś takiego.
One porcja.
A oni już pozamawiali?
sayang kamu bakar atau goreng?
The guys making the crown squid. I also can see that. What's that? Soy?
Parrotfish and squid.
But the sauce?
Oil.
Oil. Oh,
This sauce not spicy.
okay, okay. What's your name?
My name is Wahid.
Wahid.
Yeah. And you?
Damian.
Damian. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Something about Komodo. Wow, hello Komodo. Here we have parrotfish and squid.
Cumi, Pak. Ada tulisannya, Bro.
Secret message.
lagi dapat. No, pegan dulu ni no. Pegan na sa may sinasi. Baka para para.
Czujesz go, kurwa?
Fish, fish, spicy, spicy. Enak thing, like it, spicy. Okay, we are done with the trip today. This is still market at night. We're gonna go home.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Bali.
Well, actually, that now we are in Labuan Bajo in a hotel. So we just had our breakfast. So now we just have a walk. Of shopping area. As you can see that there are many shops here, Starbucks on the right and on the left, drugstore and everything. It's just like a mini mall, you know, like in Bali. Just like, yeah, as you can see that.
This is because,
This is called Marina Komodo Labuan Bajo.
and this is developing.
Still developing.
They have a nice pharmacy here, and this is because the government and president of Indonesia want to make Labuan Bajo and Komodo National Park
As the
more
super premium.
as the super premium, how he said. That's mean they didn't close it last year, like half of world was here as they want to close it, but they didn't close it. Instead, they're gonna make it, they already made very expensive. So that's mean will be only for prestigious premium, and no big groups of Chinese or whatever will come in here because they will couldn't just afford this. And this is the way how they're gonna save the Komodo Park.
And as you can see over there, they are still building for the bridge later on. And it's gonna be the super premium luxurious hotel. Birds, kind of birds. So they are still building kind of shopping mall. And surprisingly, they have a Starbucks.
Birds and Starbucks. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Good, thank you. And brand new Starbucks in Labuan Bajo Komodo. Could you believe that? Got my Starbucks iced cappuccino. It's really nice, like always, of course. Mosque. This is actually quite unique. You have like everything in the same place, like a harbor, like a luxury hotel and traditional market, and Starbucks. So this is gonna be big changes for
Labuan Bajo.
Labuan Bajo. Only one plane. It's only one plane in the airport.